Hello everybody! Lately I've been having this new passion for wall decorations, so for today I tried making a new flower model and then converting it into a beautiful and shiny ornament, but with just the right amount of shine to get a little contrast with the matte pattern of the gypsum I put it on. I started with gluing together 5 paper strips, 4 yellow and 1 of a different color, pink in my case. Using my 2 missing teeth comb, which is also 3D printed by the way, I'll make a C-wrap and you will find a card on the screen with my tutorial with all the comb shapes if you want to refresh your memory. After it's ready, I will bend it inside, but not fully, meaning I will not use another strip to surround the C-wrap. Instead, I will use a paper clip to keep it in place and some glue to make sure it keeps its shape after I remove the clip. Where there is one, there will be many, so here are some others I made prior to filming. In this gypsum square piece, I will start gluing my shapes evenly distanced one from another. At least that's my plan, so I'll do my best. Some more C-wraps, another 10 of them, will follow in line to be glued on top of the first ones. This time it took a while longer because I glued them at an angle to start giving my flower a 3D look. Since the paper glue takes a while to dry out, you'll need to wait too and keep them steady until it's safe to remove your hand. Try not to move them too much until they are well glued. I made even more shapes like this time smaller, made only from 2 yellow strips and a pink one. I glued them together in a circle. Now comes the fun part, making these ones 3D too. For that, I used my famous ice cubes mold. And now we have this beautiful 3D flower that I will glue on top of everything. Be careful to wait long enough for the glue to be dried completely. I have some more small shapes here to fill in some spaces to make our flower even more imposing. I made a tight coil in the center. I can just leave it like that, or I can add some more elements to improve it. This shape I'm making now, I believe you already know, an eccentric teardrop that I will shape a little and bend its top. Now let's play a bit. I have this super cute fine glitter with this super nice blue color, so guess what its purpose will be? I'll add some glue on my eccentric teardrops and then I'll dip them in the glitter. So satisfying. Then carefully I'll glue each of my shapes in the middle of the flower. This took me a lot of time also, but finally it was done and it was worth it. To complete my wall decoration, I'll add something pretty simple on the edges because now it feels a little empty. I made another 4 C-wraps, bent them inside a little to create a 90-degree angle, and then glue them on each of the 4 corners. This time I used 2 paper strips of the same color, a contrasting one with our yellow and pink, and one that matches the middle of the flower because art is about uniformity and evenness, so in the end it looks good to the eye and leaves a nice impression. And ta-da! It's ready. I believe this sparkly middle gives to the flower the right amount of shine and glamour, but not being too sparkly or distasteful. Also, the corners complete the overall look. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and leave a like. What do you think about today's creation? Let me tell you what I think, this being that if you want to try this, make sure you are patient enough to finish so many C-wraps, 44 in total, 40 for the flower and 4 for the corners. I might seem like a broken record, but everything pays off in the end when you see the result, so beautiful and ready to be hanged on the wall, or given as a present to a close friend or family member. It was a lot of work, but well worth it, so don't be afraid to put in the time. See you next time. Take care.